All right, we're going to attempt a cold start on this Ford 9600 that's up for auction. She's been sitting in the shed since I finished up harvest about a month ago. You can see my breath when I breathe, so it's pretty typical cold Illinois December day. So she's been sitting for a little bit. We're going to see. She's usually pretty good about starting up when it's cold, so we'll see. We'll see how she does. Make sure the fuel's on. So there you have it, field ready, Ford 9600, parade ready, or whatever you're going to use her for. I have the doors to go with the cab. I just took them off this summer and never put them back on, but I do have them. Please call me or reach out with any questions.